Hey, let me ask you something. What if you could launch a webinar funnel that sells like crazy without ever recording a single video, writing a script, or messing with complicated tech? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick with me, because today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it using Webinar Clones AI, and why this tool is changing the game for affiliates, creators, and side hustlers everywhere. Here's the truth. Webinars are hands down the most powerful sales format online. They convert 3 to 5 times better than a standard sales page. That's why big names like Russell Brunson scaled ClickFunnels past $100 million with webinars, and why countless digital entrepreneurs swear by them. But let's be real, building a webinar funnel from scratch is brutal. You have to write a persuasive script, record yourself on camera, edit the footage, pay for hosting software, build registration pages, set up email sequences and follow-ups, test every single step. Most people quit halfway through, and even if you finish, there's no guarantee your funnel will convert. That's why so many marketers know webinars are powerful, but never actually use them. This is where Webinar Clones AI steps in. It's the first platform that completely closes the gap. Instead of spending weeks building a funnel, you log in and instantly get access to 5 complete webinar funnels, already recorded, scripted, designed, hosted, and converting buyers right now. These aren't templates, they're not frameworks. They're fully built funnels that are live and ready to go. All you do is pick the funnel you want to run, paste in your affiliate link or the URL you want to promote, click Save. That's it. In under 5 minutes, your funnel is live. No camera, no slides, no tech headaches. And the best part? The webinar runs automatically around the clock, while you sleep, while you work, while you're out living life. Now let's talk about what makes this so powerful. Automated follow-up. Every lead gets email and SMS reminders without you lifting a finger. People who miss the session are routed to the replay. Those who watch but don't buy get chased automatically. Traffic solved. The built-in AI generates ads, social posts, and organic content for whatever platform you want to use. No copywriting, no design work. Premium training. You also get over $20,000 worth of traffic training from real JVZoo events, insider strategies that used to cost thousands just to attend. Live chat simulation. Viewers feel like they're in a real event, boosting engagement and conversions. Analytics dashboard. See exactly what's converting in real time. And during the launch, if you're one of the first 50 buyers, you get 10 funnels instead of 5. That's 10 automated selling machines running for you 24/7. People are already seeing results. One user made an extra $1,330 in a single month from a webinar they never recorded, never appeared in, and never even wrote a word for. Imagine scaling that up with multiple funnels running at once. Remember, webinars convert 3 to 5 times better than sales pages, so the same traffic you're already sending could produce 3 to 5 times more buyers without you doing any extra work. Here's the kicker. The entire investment is just $37 one time during the launch. No monthly fees. Plus, you get a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. You don't need an audience. You don't need your own product. You don't need technical experience. If you can paste a link and click Save, you can run a high-converting webinar funnel today. So here's the question. Are you going to keep wondering how everyone else is making money with webinars? Or are you going to jump in and start running funnels that actually sell? Click the link below, grab your access to Webinar Clones AI, and launch your first funnel in the next 5 minutes. It's simple, it's powerful, and it works. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let's start building funnels that sell without recording a single video. See you in the next one.